Good afternoon, my beautiful family. Please, it's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa. Please, we have a fantastic recipe which is pinacolada juice. We are going to prepare our pinacolada. We have only like 3 ingredients that we are going to use. Here we have our pineapple, we have our coconut. There is also ginger. We are going to include ginger in our pinacolada. I love it with ginger, so please stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and the returning ones, please, we really appreciate for the love you are showing your girl. Please continue loving our channel. We are going to use only a piece of pineapple to make our pinacolada juice. So let's make our pinacolada juice together. This is what we are going to use for our pinacolada juice. We are not going to prepare a lot of juice, just a few. So stay tuned. So please, this is our coconut. So please, I need to add in my water. This is coconut water. So we are going to blend all the ingredients together, please, to get our pina colada juice, please. Mine, I added ginger because I want that flavor of ginger. Add in little water because we had a coconut water was not enough for us, so we are going to add in some water, so stay tuned. So as you can see, our coconut, pineapple is the pina colada juice, please. So let's blend. So as you can see, please, our pina colada is now ready. Let's save our juice. This is our pina colada, please. It's a mixture of 3 ingredients. We have coconut, we have pineapple, plus ginger, please. Come and enjoy our juice. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and the returning ones, continue supporting. So this is our pina colada juice, please. For those who haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe. And thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please, a very healthy juice. If you get time, you can make it for the family. Thank you.